Ikinya ria guikia ngono engineers ana kambuni ya utambia wa thitima ya Kenya Power nirikomithitio ni kiama kia engineers bururi-ini makiorota ruhonge rwa uthuthuria wa wikinae DCI na wabici ya thitango cia muingi DPP ni kwagarara watho. Matongoretio ni president wa kiama giki engineer Nathaniel Matalanga moigite guikio ngono kuratabanirio mugaru na watho.
They haven't finished. So why have you arrested these people? If you are sure that they have committed something, we are saying they should have been charged immediately with those you are sure of.
Matalanga riu ni oretie honge cia uthuthuria kurekereria ana aya ginyagia matabania uthuthuria baranginyo gukwa kinyita baru uge wa minister wa mahinya Monica Juma wa kuria kihoto kirumiriro hindi ya uthuthuria uyu.
These people were arrested and illegally. They are being held unfairly. They should be released until due process is completed.
What I would have expected was a professional investigation before going into a criminal investigation.
Ritana ria engineers aya riukite thiku inya thutha wa maabitha kenda a Kenya Power guikio ngono wa keri na gucoka ukinyo igoti-ini ria kahawa wa gatatu kiumia giki magikuirwo kunyita itemi hari uthukangia wa cuma cia utambia wa thitima raini-ini ya Kiambere-Embakasi.
We cannot preclude the findings of those investigations. What I can tell you is that we will follow the findings of those investigations to the end, whatever those findings are.
Moigete wira wa kugitira tabarira ta ici ti wira wa engineers no ni wira wa honge cia ugitiri riu makienda arugamiriri a kambuni ya Kenya Power gukua mutharaba wao.
Let our call for the leadership of infrastructure sector agencies to be held by engineers who have the key competencies in the mandate of these agencies.
Ona kuhana oroguo engineers aya ni manyitite baru ikinya ria mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ria kurugamia wendia wa cuma nguru.
We therefore support fully the president's action in the embargo on the scrap metal because we believe that this is what is fueling the vandalism that we are seeing.
We report that we are exporting tons and tons of scrap metal. We should be asking ourselves as a country, where is this scrap metal coming from?
Maya mokite riri cuma cia kambuni ya Kenya Power irahithukirio duka-ini imwe ya kwendia cuma nguru thoko-ini ya Gikomba.
I've received information from some of our members that there is a warehouse in Kikomba which is full of Kenya Power installation metal structures that have been removed from pylons, and we have photographs. If they are interested, we can take them to that warehouse.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Gitau wa Wajiko.